Hi guys, Andre again. I've just shown you how to do the hollow grind on the Vortex. Now I am starting to polish this blade. I've done the hollow and I've actually got a 180 grit belt running on it. So what I've done is I've sprayed the blade with marking glue, the best marking glue on the market that is stocked here at SA Knife Supplies. And I am going to adjust the table upwards until the 180 grit seats perfectly into the hollow there. You'll see my belt is overhanging slightly. And there you have all the 60 grit marks are out, and the whole blade is at 180 now. Next step is a 400, after that 800, and then I'll probably go on to the mirror belts, the 1200, 2500, etc. That's it. Have a good one. Enjoy.